radio, you can turn any radio into a smart speaker. Okay, so this is what you do. Okay, so since this work in the car at home, I'm going to do it at home, and you can see my other video that I show in the car. So we'll use this Gizmo Guy gadget. We'll have this available as well, but we don't have it right now for this trial run. Okay, so Gizmo Guy gadget, you plug in this Gizmo Guy gadget to this USB thing. Okay, now we have power. The same thing in the car, you will be using this. But at home, you'll be using this. So now you can see that it powers up and it's set to 87.9. Okay, you can change it by just pressing the button and then do the dial thing. Okay, but right now we're gonna set it 87.9, so we don't have to mess with it. So once you get the dial that you want, just long press it again, 3 seconds, and then you stay. Oh no, it didn't. 1, 2, 3. So now you stay. So 87.9 is the station that you want. Okay. So we'll bring the radio here. Turn on the radio. We already have 87.9, so you don't hear anything because there's no because right now this is being they're paired. Okay, so if we go to a different station, you'll see that there's a lot of noise. But if we go to 87.9, you see that it's quiet. There's no static. Okay, now all we got to do is pair the phone to this Bluetooth transmitter or the Gizmo Guy gadget. So all you have to do is go to your phone. Go to your phone and go to Bluetooth. Okay, and connect your Bluetooth to HY62. You can see that it's connected here. HY62. HY62 is the one that you want. Now you can hear that the connection's made. Now all you got to do is go to the music. So we'll go to music. Oops. Let's go to music. Music. We'll go to music and we'll go to, yeah, we'll just go to this one. See, now the music's coming through. And you can either use the car or use the Gizmo Guy gadget to adjust volume. So usually you just set this to 30 since maximum, and then that's what I have to do. Okay, so now you can hear the music's coming through loud and clear. Okay, you can do this with any speaker or any radio. Okay, as long as it has a radio, you can make it into a smart radio by using the Gizmo Guy gadget. Okay, so this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you what this 5th generation Gizmo Guy gadget come with and how to set it up. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Try my gadget out. I think you would love it because I love it. Not because it's my product, because it really is an awesome thing. Thank you.